Today we are at my car, a E-Class convertible A207 from model year 2010. We are getting into the car, and I will show you where you find the multimedia interface connector, where you have to plug in the adapter, the different adapters. As you see, it's in the back here inside and upwards, so you need to take a closer look to find it, if you have it in your car or not. Here I'm showing the adapter. I'm using an USB adapter. I'm trying to plug it in. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, because this motivates me to create further videos. I will show later on the correct numbers of the multimedia interface adapters, so that you're able to buy the correct one. Here you see the one for the cable connection. Yeah, it's plugged in the same way as before. And here you see the same one for the iPhone. In the lower corner you see a subscribe button. Please press it and put the ring bell on. Thank you.